Hello and welcome back to Stackhouse Lives. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't seen the videos previous to this one, I made a Yanagiba in two other videos. One was forge welding and laminating the steel. The second was heat treatment and grinding and profiling. This video, or part 3, is going to be creating a handle for this guy. So I've got an idea and a drawing that I'm going to go with. The idea is that the handle is going to be a composite handle where you're going to have two different materials. One's going to be wood and one's going to be deer rattler. We're going to get a handle put on this guy today, and let's get into it.
So I've got my little scraper tool. I just want to
slowly pick the majority of this glue off that's seeped over the tape. So there we have it. The Yanagiba is complete. It has a really super long, super nice handle. Could be a little bit too long, but I personally really like this for a lot of long work, a lot of fish slicing. It was really fun just working with the timbers and materials. So I decided to use some New Zealand black Mairi, which is what this wood is. It isn't black, but it's called Mairi or black Mairi, and it's native to New Zealand. I used a G10 spacer, a red one, so it sort of stands out a little bit better, and some New Zealand deer antler as well. So all the materials are sourced locally and in the country, which is awesome, and I'm really pleased with how this guy turned out. If you'd like to put out a suggestion on seeing a cutting video with this knife, maybe filleting some salmon, maybe making some nigiri or something sushi related would be quite nice, seeing as it is a Japanese sushi knife. So I'm really glad that I've managed to create a knife that's almost similar to this one in dimensions. So yeah, that was my copy of the knives. That's the original one that I copied or modeled it off in part 1. And if you've enjoyed this video, smash the like button with a giant hammer. And if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and post notification. That will give you ongoing notifications on when the next Stackhouse Knives video will be up and live. And that's the completed knife there. Again, I'm just really glad with how it came out. I'm really happy with working with those mediums. It was really fun to put them into action and see how it all worked. The iron was fantastic to work with, and I really hope to do more projects very similar to this later on down the track.